Now the 24th question is integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. If you observe in the numerator and denominator, you have 2, 3 here, you have 6, 4 here. When I take 2 outside in the denominator, then I can write it as 2 times 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Now if you observe, if I substitute this 3 cos x plus 2 sin x as t, then the numerator is, so derivative of 3 cos x is minus 3 sin x, you have minus 3 sin x here. Derivative of 2 sin x is 2 cos x. So that clearly tells you that in the denominator you first take the 2 outside and then substitute the function that you have inside after taking 2 common as t. Right. So having said that, the question will be converted as 2 cos x minus 3 sin x the whole divided by 2 into 3 cos x plus 2 sin x times dx. Right. Now what you do is substitute 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t. So differentiating on both sides we get minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x times dx is equal to dt. So if you observe, this whole thing is a numerator. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is a numerator. So the whole question will get converted as integral of dt divided by 2 is already there. 2 into this whole thing is t. So I can take the half outside, half of integral of dt divided by t. So integral of dt by t is going to give you log t. So final answer would be half of log of mod t plus c, or half of log of t is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. So this would be the final answer. Clear?